This week was all about getting Sand Dollar ready for Mexico. From overhauling the electrical system to dealing with Marina drama, it's been non-stop chaos. But with every project checked off the list, we're getting closer to the big departure. So let's dive in. Hi, we are Natasha and Carl, and welcome to Fish Under Sail. We're living our dream on our Nauticat 43 sailboat, sailing, diving, fishing, and tackling boat projects as we explore the world. With Carl's expertise as a fishing guide and aircraft mechanic, and my background as a diving instructor, we're all about adventure, learning, and making the most out of life at sea. Whether you're here for some sailing tips, epic dives, or just an adventure, we're glad you're joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and join us as we chase the horizon. Our biggest project was replacing Sand Dollar's entire electrical system.
So I got 3 charge controllers. This big one here is going to run two 200 watt panels on the aft deck. These 2 smaller ones are going to run 4 100 watt flex panels on the cabin. And I got a Sailboat GX, which is going to talk to my entire electrical system. It's going to talk to my Victron Multiplus inverter, battery charger. It's going to talk to the lithium batteries. And then it's going to run to a readout screen that I'll have up top. So I should know what's going on with the state of charge and battery consumption. Because, yeah, we're going to take this boat to the middle of nowhere to do some remote fishing and diving. And, yeah, we're not going to have access to shore power. We're going to be on anchor the whole time. So we need a robust and powerful lithium battery bank. All right. So I rewired that Centaur battery charger because we're gonna have our entire house bank is lithium now, so we're gonna have 1100 amp hours of lithium, but you need lead acid for your anchor winch and starting the engine. So I have a separate lead acid circuit now, which is gonna power the engine, and I have a gauge here that will tell me what's going on with the house bank. And then the rest of it will be lithium once I finish that install. We got the last couple pieces in that I've been waiting on so we can finish our electrical system. Pretty excited about it. We got some Victron connectors so all our solar charge controllers can talk to our charger inverter. And down here, we got this beast. Oh, if I can pick it up. Oh, nice. Grab that. All right. This is our new Victron Super Smart 12 volt, 300 watts, 120 amps charger inverter. It's beautiful. So, I'm going to wire this up in replace of our old charger inverter and then configure this thing. And then we'll be in business. I can finish swapping out our lead acid batteries for lithium because this thing can charge lithium batteries and our whole system will be talking to each other.
Stop hitting it.
I'm excited. And over here, got a DC to DC charger. Since we still need a lead acid battery to start the engine and run our winch, this thing will charge our lead acid battery but keep it isolated from our lithium batteries. So yeah, we're ready to go now. Excited. Yeah, bro.
The Victron Energy Multiplus inverter charger is the brain of our electrical system. It seamlessly manages power between the batteries, shore power, and any future generators.
Alright, we got out the old inverter charger here,
I kind of told them.
which hopefully I can sell and get some good money for. It just doesn't have the functionalities I need. And here
Recent book is this
is a new one I'm about to install.
Doppelganger, which is really
Yeah, bro.
a kind of a dramatic.
Now we've got the power we need for everything, from navigation to galley appliances. It's a huge relief knowing our energy system is ready for the journey. How's your day going?
Pretty good. I'm just stripping all the old wires out of the boat, so it'll make it a lot easier to finish up what I'm doing and troubleshoot if we have problems. Oh! 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 Look at all those boat wires I pulled out. So nice pulling out old shit. I cut out our ceiling so I can route the wiring underneath, but I'm going to install the solar panels on the roof. We got 3 flexible solar panels here. Install 1, 1, 1. Then the 4th flex panel is going to go ahead of the mast down here on the foredeck. And then I'll have 400 watts of solar panel coming out of these flex panels all together. And then on the back we'll have 2 400 watt bigger panels mounted off the side there, off the stern rails. So getting them installed, I just pulled these mounting points off for our life raft, seal up the holes, and then I'm going to install the flex panels here and then start doing the wiring. I run the wires probably through this old GPS hole, and yeah, see how it goes.
What's this from?
That is always a winner if you're a social.
Thought I was going to use this hole. It's from the old GPS antenna.
You don't want to?
Yeah, check. The panel's going to cover it. So right now, I'm applying the solar tape to the back side. And what it's going to do is it's going to lift the panel a little bit off the roof. It's going to give it circulation, airflow underneath to help it stay cool. And also, it's going to seal the water out from underneath it. And then I'm also going to put 4 screws in each corner as well. But yeah, I like it. These 3 panels look good up here. So. Got 4 flex panels that I wired in and got connected up. So we are now on solar. Or at least we will be when we leave the dock. Nice.
We now have 4 100 watt flex panels and 2 200 watt bifacial panels. This means we can run our system without relying on shore power, making long-term cruising more sustainable, with plans to add another 1,000 watts. Out of nowhere, the Marina let us know our rent was going to triple. With so much left to do, this was the last thing we needed.
Trying to find a marina was difficult. The only marina with available space was very shallow and we have a very deep draft.
And it's mud. So I would say get here before it's dark so you can get in when it's still light, and and it should be late enough that the winds have died to some extent. And so as you come in the channel, just stay in the middle between the break. So when you enter the channel, there's a piling with the.
Okay, it's go time. We are absolutely like shaking right now. We are gonna untie. Everything is checked. We phoned the people to make sure. And now we're gonna go. Wish us luck. We did it. It was horrible. We almost hit both the docks and a boat. It was just, no, I'm shaking. Like,
Possible to drive a 45-foot boat with 1 small inboard and no bow thruster. Oh, miserable. I miss my power boats when it comes to maneuverability.
okay, it's been 2 minutes and we lost engine. So, dropping anchor.
So where that boat is, that one, that is where we just came from. Turns out our fuel gauges were broken. We ran out of fuel 200 meters out of the marina. This has been an insane week and we really didn't think it could get any worse.
This is so sweet. This is Danny. And she's bringing fuel for us on her rowboat. Isn't that sweet?
So after that fiasco yesterday, we limped over to this dock here, which is for a restaurant, I believe. But the depth charts were wrong, so I'll wake up at 2 a.m. and we're hard aground. We were sitting on the keel and the water was about 2 feet below the water line now. And we were hard aground. These lines on this floating dock, luckily it was a floating dock, kept the boat upright, but oh shit, what a nightmare. So we're out of here, let's get some fuel. Hopefully we can make it there.
We came from there and we made it here. At least we slept safely for the night. And now we are about to go put some fuel in and go to the next place. You ready?
Yeah, let's go, babe. All right, we out of here. Let's go get some fuel so we don't make that mistake again.
Point 1 done. We can get some fuel. Happy day.
$6.50 a gallon for Marina fuel in California. Thanks, bud. We out of here. Wish us luck. We just got fuel at the Marina, and we're heading to our next Marina so I can fix all these damn problems. So, knock on wood. Where's wood? All right, let's get it.
This week was a wild ride, but every challenge has made us stronger and more prepared for what's ahead. Sand Dollar is closer than ever to being ready for Mexico, and we're learning to roll with the punches.
Alright, we made it. She's in her new temporary home, Safe Harbor Marina. So we'll do some work here. Hopefully in the next couple weeks, we'll be off sailing south to Mexico. Hopefully next time we leave it goes a little better than last time, but we're here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week as we make our final preparations for Mexico.